It's around 6 p.m. I'm heading to Walmart alone. Still looking for the coffee machine. Amy and the rest of the gang are in Tiananmen Square. I had to skip the Tiananmen Square and the orientation, the second orientation. Yeah, I had to make some phone calls and I had some things to do in back home. So I'm heading to the Walmart now alone. Right now, I'm walking to the subway station. I might just as well get a taxi, but I bought a public transport card and I might just well just use it. We are going here. Operation Coffee Machine continues. Nope, no coffee machines in Walmart. Lesson number 1. Always bring your coffee machine to China. I mean, everybody's drinking tea or instant coffee. I gotta go. Alright, I'm walking back to my dormitory at the moment. So, lesson number 2. You can bike to the subway station and leave the bike there, so you can bike back. So I'm back home. Still don't have a coffee machine. I bought like three packs of coffee from back home, and I need a coffee machine for that. So right now I'm enjoying instant coffee from China, and it's not very good. Right now we're probably heading to Wudaku outside of campus, trying to find some nice place to sit down and grab some drinks. So I thought this would be a great time to say goodbye to you and end this vlog. See you next week.